Download Mandalayan Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
There are many compound finals that begin with the I vowel. Previously, we learned 5 of them: ya, yao, yang, ye, and yan. Now, let's take a look at 4 more compound finals beginning with I. They are you, yong, yin, and ying. The first compound final is yo. Yo sounds similar to the yo in yo-yo. Yo, yo. Next, yong. Yong consists of the e simple final sound and the nasal final ong. Yong, yong. Remember that compound finals should be pronounced quickly and seamlessly as one syllable and not as 2 syllables. So this compound final should be pronounced quickly as yong, yong. The last 2 finals are nasal finals, yin and ying. Note that the first ends with the n sound, while the second ends with an n sound. They are pronounced like they would be English, yin and ying, as in the word sing and sing, yin, yin, ying, ying. Remember that as you say these finals, you should feel a slight buzzing sensation in your nasal cavity. Now, let's take a look at some characters with pinyin ending with these finals. This is the Chinese character for the number 6, and it is read as liu. The pinyin for liu consists of the initial le and the compound final you. Le, you, liu. It should be read in the 4th tone, liu, liu. Next, this is the Chinese character for the word bear. It is pronounced as xiong. Xiong consists of the initial xi and the final yong. Xi, yong, xiong. It is pronounced in the 2nd tone, xiong, xiong. The character xin means heart. Its pinyin is spelled xi, yin, xin, and it should be read in the 1st tone, xin, xin. And finally, this character is read as ting. Ting means to listen. Its pinyin consists of the initial t and the nasal final ing. It should be pronounced in the 1st tone, ting, ting.
Download Mandalayan Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.